welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll showcase you guys how to change or how to skid a menu. So first of all, join my Discord, link in description. After that, you go to how to skid category, right? Then after that, you click on Roblox Externals. In here, you will get the Visual Studio 2022 download. That's where you gotta download the community so you can edit and change the code in the source code. Then after that, you download the source right here. You click download, you download the source. It's gonna take us 2 seconds. Boom. You extract the source of the file, open it, double click it. Central. So it's gonna take some time. Long. Let's go. There you go. Okay. Let me just make this tinier. Make it bigger. Okay. So in here, you go to util, the features, or the aimbot, ESP, and all the code is in there. Then drawing is like the overlay and the IMGUI. If you want a GUI swap it, you go in there to swap it. But to update the offsets and change the name, you go to util, then you double click offsets.h. So in here, as you can see, this is all of the offsets. To update the offsets, you go to my Discord. You click on this link, the offset that dot some weird thing. But as you can see, it says updated offsets. You double click it. Then as you can see right here, let me just make this bigger so you can see. Yeah, as you can see, this you copy from you see under the namespace the namespace offsets under there. You start copying it all the way down there. You copy, Control C, close this, go back to the offset page right here, hover over everything right here, and Control V, paste the new offsets. And after that, you go to my Discord server, you go to fixes, you copy these two right here, you do enter and paste those into. So after that, so boom, now we have updated the offset. So the menu fully works right now, but if you want to skid it even more, if you want to let's say if you want to change the name of it so it's your, or like let's say it's your own, you want to make it so it's your own, you do Control F, you change this to entire, you change that, you search Centrum, press enter. Don't change this, or because this is kiosk, this is for the loader, but the loader is disabled, so you don't have to change anything in here. But you search again, and boom, as you can see right here, it says Centrum. I'm gonna change it to like that gg/4k hub. Then you just search Centrum again. It says right here to, as you can see, change it to .g/, oh no, I'm gonna change it to free menu. I'm gonna enter again. As you can see right here, it says Centrum. I'm gonna change it to free menu. Search it again. If you want to change these, you can, but you gotta have the same name on each line. But I'm not gonna change it. These are the same. I'm not gonna change this. You can change this, but it's not gonna do anything because the login page or like the loader is disabled, so you don't have to do anything right here. Starting Centrum, you can change that. I'm gonna change it to starting 4K hub free menu. Then do it again. You can change that if you wanted to, but I'm not gonna do that. Yep, that's all of it. So yeah, yeah, we're done. We have changed the name of the menu, and we have updated the offset. So now we can build the cheat. So if you want to build the cheat, you gotta have it on release x64. Then you click on build and build solution. And as you can see down here, it shows the log when you're building this exe, and we just gotta wait until it's built. Let's see. I'm kind of sick, so I'm sorry, guys. Alright, it's great. Why is it taking so long? It should not be taking that long. There you go. I know it says succeed. As you can see, it built the exe. You go to release. As you can see, it says centrum.exe. You can change the name of it to like something else, like 4K hub or free. And after that, you go back to my Discord server. You go to fixes. You download VM protected SDK 64. Download. Open this. Okay, minimize that. As you can see, you drag to the same folder where you have your exe, like the menu. And now we're gonna open Roblox. Let's pick this. It's gonna take some time. There you go. Someone, yep. Okay, let me just mute everybody. Okay, perfect. Open this free menu. Boom. So it popped up right here, as you can see. As you can see, it says up here, it says free menu, and right here it says .gg/4cub, as you can see. And the question marks, you can change that too. You just search question mark in the source code, and you can change as I can show you guys right now. You just do this, Control F, and you search 3 question marks, and it should pop up right there, as you can see. You just change those 2, and boom, you're done. So yeah, but let's go back to the menu. The visuals should work. Hold on. There you go. As you can see, the visual works. It's just everybody is in the game. So yeah, as you can see right there, boom, it works. The visual works. Let's open this. In settings, we got playlist. As you can see, you can spectate, kill, auto kill, bring, teleport, and all that. But I recommend you not to do this because it's very buggy. Yeah, but and we get the index explorer right here. Let me just bring it in closer. As you can see, we got screen proof. You don't see it right there, as you can see. Yeah. Okay. The crosser don't work. The target HUD is just your own health. It shows your own health. This is nothing like that crazy. We got VSync. You can remove that and you get more FPS. You can remove the watermark if you would like to. So yeah. The Lua doesn't work. The Lua executor don't work. We got the speed right here. I can show you guys. Flight. Let's go. As you can see. Wait, let me make it faster. Boom. As you can see, we're running very fast. So yeah. The flight, it should work. It's kind of buggy sometimes. I don't know why. So yeah, it's kind of buggy. I don't know why. Let me turn it off and see. It should work. I don't know why it's like that. We got jump power. We got the visuals, as you can see right here. We got aimbot. This works. FOV. We got silent aim. Everything. Let me change the color of this. As you can see, boom, it works. Let me just change it. Let me change sticky. Should say head. You should go on the head. I don't know why. Hold on. I think I'm bugging. You should go on the head. I don't know. But yeah, so yeah, there's config system too, so you can load a config. I loaded my own config. It's my own config I use. This is like a kind of legit config, but yeah. Yeah, boom. But the aimbot works. You can see it locks on. Yeah, everything works. So that's it. You can refresh. It has like a memory change, so it changes every like 10 seconds. So yeah, that's it, guys. So I showed you guys how to change the name, how to update the offsets and everything. So yeah, everything will be in my Discord server, so join the Discord in the description. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.